children. When the tree walks. In this prose, 6th standard, 1st unit, 2nd unit, prepared and presented by K. Kavita, staff of Divya Metric High Secondary School. One morning, while I was sitting beside the grandfather on the veranda steps, I noticed the tendril of a creeping vines and trailings near, as we sat there in the soft sunshine of a North Indian winter. I saw the tendrils moving slowly toward the grandfather. 20 minutes later, it had crossed the step by step and was touching his feet. One day morning, I was sit beside the grandfather in veranda. The tendril, the tree, the tendril creeping that come to the near of a grandfather. In the North Indian winter time, in the time that tendril tree, that the tendril come to the nearby the grandfather. After 20 minutes, he touched the feet, that tendril, and also crossed the steps. It's very excellent for you know. If the tendril, it's mean like the one of a plantation. It's like, see this picture, like this. It's come and touch the grandfather's feet. And next, there is a probably scientific explanation. If they given the scientific explanation, the plant behavior is really, if the light and warm which place is here, that place the plant is moved toward. For example, if you have to keep the plant in the window side, they go outside of the window and they have to plant is growing. Like that, light and warming is important for scientific explanation. And after that, they move across simply near the grandfather. I think the plant is very like to touch the grandfather. After that, they had to closely drawing and felt that boy also sitting under the tree, lonely. But if grandfather is come and join with her, he is so happy for gardening in the happiest place for that. The both grandfather and grandson is come and joined together. They have to very happy place in that place made of the garden. They explain beneath, it's mean so deep. Next, grandfather is served Indian Forest Service in many years. After that, he know trees and like them, so that only if you have to serve in the forest service, no, they see many trees and also many plants they have to see, so that only the plants like the grandfather, that boy have to think. On his retirement, he built a bungalow in the outstretch of Dehradun. The Dehradun place, they have to made a bungalow. Bungalow, it means one story. It means one ground floor only it's have. If we have to contain others, if now we have to say bungalow, it means big buildings is considered as a bungalow. But in olden days, if real meaning of the bungalow is only one floor is considered as a bungalow. And next, planting the tree like mango, lemon, orange and guava. And also eucalyptus tree. And also jacaranda. Jacaranda, it means you see the picture in first picture, it is very pink, very violetish, no, it's a jacaranda tree. And also Persian lilac. And again second picture is a Persian lilac. In the Doon Valley, so fertile, the plants and trees are grow very tall and strong. Because the water is come through the flowing of a Doon Valley, the water is reaches to all those plants, and also the plants are growing very taller and also stronger. It's very precious to grow They have to very nice places to visit that place. It's so very eagerly to, and also very have to live in that place very happily. That much of likable place is that Dehradun Valley. The plant and trees are that place is growing. That place is considered as a very excellent place for watching and also attract the persons. Next there were other trees compound. In this they have to made a one house. In that house there is old people tree. It considered as a old people tree. That old people tree, the forcefully abandoned the wall and also knocked the bricks vigorously. The bricks are also break down and the root is come out the wall and knock the walls. This and the purple tree is a great shows. If there is no breeze also, so chillness in that place. If no breeze also, that place is so chillness and also so shadis. The leaves are very spinned like tops. It is rolled like, so that will spin like the tops. And after the attraction of attention and also invite the shads. Shad, it means you have to know already shad, what is meant by shad. And next grandmother, but they didn't want that purple tree. She says if you cut down, because the wall is break down and also knocking the wall vigorously, so you have to cut down the tree, the grandmother says. But grandfather says again, if I have to build another house for you, I won't cut the tree, her grandfather says. You know that grandfather is such a boy, only like a natures and also trees, and also they have to lovable for the trees. But he think nature is very precious to her, and also it's very excellent to her. Next, grandmothers didn't mind the tree. After they knew about that purple tree, they perfectly in the growing flower plants. Flower plants like the ordering the categories of seeds, plantings like flowering plants. Grandfather also help her. Why they have to help now? The gardening is not because crazy. It means they have to give something to her. But the flowering garden, there is like butterfly, and also it's so beautiful. If the butterfly is in first picture, you see that if the trees or plants or flowering trees, if anywhere the butterflies is more in that place, that butterfly is attracted to her grandfather, he think. And he said grown the flower for them, so that only grandfather grown the flowering plant. He think that. Okay children, if you like this video, like, share and comment this video.